Bonjour mes amis, buongiorno i miei amici, guten Tag meine liebe Freundin, wie geht? Welcome to our most boring channel, Val Eurosport, with yet another boring, predictable video. Thank you once again for interrupting the important work you are doing to watch this yet another video of another car. I was going to say boring car, but I better stop here. There's nothing boring about this beautiful British import. This is a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 in most beautiful color you can get on this car. It's called Toro Red on Sandstorm interior. And I have to say, even in the shade, it looks good. It kind of looks burgundy, maybe a little brighter than burgundy, but when the sun hits it, it looks like a bright red. And I would think the Italians called it Bordeaux Ponte Vecchio. They used that color on a few Maserati Quattroportes, the M139 body style. Anyway, going back to this car. This car has not 30,000 miles, not 20, not 15, but 12,000 miles for an 06, 2006 DB9. So this is a 18-year-old car with only 12,000 miles. That means whoever had this car drove it for less than 1,000 miles a year. Look at these beautiful angles. Beautiful car. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I think, in my honest opinion, this is the most beautiful car on the road today. I like this body style more than a DB11, more than the newer ones. So let's go on a quick ride before I run out of space on my phone here. Let's start up this beautiful V12 6.0 liters. Notice with these older DB9s up to 09, you have a key, you turn it all the way, you get some lights on there, and then you have to push the start button. Don't need to push the brakes to start the engine. And as you can see, 12,000 miles, 12,448. Push this D for drive, and away we go. That sounds good. 6-liter V12, normally aspirated engine, developing 450 horses. Mid-March, and temperature is a very mild 71 degrees. Loving the temperature right now. just so I can put this convertible top back up. Very simple operation to put the top back up. All you gotta do is push this button down, and then you watch this dance here. And if you hold it long enough, the front windows will close as well. Since we're showing cool features here, let me show you how to turn on the navigation screen here. All you gotta do is push this enter button here, and then this thing just swings open, and press the enter button again, this particular button, and the display switches to maps. Yeah, love this car. Thank you for watching, guys. I really enjoyed doing this cool video. What's this guy doing? He's not paying attention. Almost ran into my Aston Martin. People are just flabbergasted seeing this beautiful car. They just lose concentration. Thank you for watching. Bye.